Hello and welcome to the Boost Hospitality Training Site. My name is Mark Simpson and I created all of this, and I'm so glad that you made it here. What exactly is in the Boostly Training Site? Well, let me tell you, you're going to get over 80 videos which will help you get started on free to book, help you get started on booking.com, Expedia, Airbnb, TripAdvisor and Google Business Listing. What I found is that there's so many hospitality owners who don't get started the right way on these websites, and that's where all the problems occur. In the advanced section, you're going to find out how to create an email marketing program. I show you how to use a very cool bit of software called Canva, as well as getting into Facebook ads, TripAdvisor sponsored listing, Google ads, and there's my best tip on how to create your direct bookings, and it's all around stopping what the OTAs are doing right now to your business. In the expert section, I really dive into some core factors that I have created over the last few years that has helped my business grow with its direct bookings and all of my clients. We have over 100 hospitality members from all over the world that are currently in the Boost Hospitality Training Site and the Boostly Facebook group. I wish that you can come and join us. It would be an honor to help train you and coach you with all the tips that I know to turn lookers into bookers, to get more heads on beds, spend less money doing it and increasing your profits. Take a look down there because there's customer testimonials from everybody that has worked with me on this. The best bit is that when you join me on this Boost Hospitality Training Site and you invest in me, I guarantee that you will get a return of your investment in new bookings on the back of my training. If you don't, I will give you 100% money back guarantee. So it's a no risk investment. You get to work with me, you get to join a community of over 100 hospitality owners, and I can't wait to see you in there. Scroll down, choose one of the payment options, and I will see you on the other side.